you can hear me. I am randomly picking a pattern from here this week, and you'll see which one I made. I am doing Fun Size Fridays because these are little fun size patterns, but I put a little twist on it. I'm using blanket yarn, the Bernat blanket yarn, yeah, and I'm using a 8mm hook. So let me show you the parts that I've made, and then I will show you this assembled. So here are the little pots. They're not even little though. Let's see if you guys can guess it before I put it together. So what do you think it is? Okay, magic, movie magic. This is so cute. I can't. I don't know, I get weird when I make these. It's just so cute. And the cute thing about this elephant is it's very heavy. It weighs like a pound. So it weighs more than this guy. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put some weight in a stocking. And then I'm going to stuff it into the body. And you will see why. And I'll explain why. Strangely enough, like currently. This is Mr. Sloth. I mean, this one, I was moving this hand. And they're made with the same yarn. I ran out of yarn on my elephant because elephants are big. So what I did was I just did a little ear yarn transition with what I did have. And oh my god, it's so cute. But yeah, this is Bernat blanket yarn. And then, but poor baby little tail, it's supposed to have a longer tail. But my yarn, I ran out of yarn of this color, and my yarn tail I pulled through here and then made a little tail. But the yarn disintegrated in my hands. See? It like unraveled, so I'm left with this little tiny little baby tail, but that's okay. Maybe something happened to the elephant. It lost its tail a little bit. This is my little elefante. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to join in with us, every Friday, Shannon from Another Yarn uploads a video and she's making all 26 of the amigurumi from this book. So, elephant. So yeah, he weighs way more than him, which makes sense because this is an elephant. I know, I'm extra. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm trying to do the little wave. Bye.